This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by Fluid Form Bio, developing innovative 3D printing living pancreatic tissue to help combat type 1 diabetes. For the first time, you can join this visionary mission. Visit fluidformbio.com or their page on Start Engine to learn more about this exciting work.
Morning, everyone. Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network with your Wednesday Noises Notes. It is feeling more like the beginning of March as opposed to the end of May. Temperatures either side of about 50. Some spots don't get out of the upper 40s. It's a chilly rain tomorrow. This is when the steadiest and heaviest comes down. You want to have the wet weather gear with you. Slow improvement and moderation in temperatures through the course of the holiday weekend. Of course, an updated insights for you so you can make your plans coming out in just a bit. Kiddos, I know it's the time of the year you want to be wearing the shorts and the flip-flops and all that good stuff, but it's not the day to do it. Temperatures in the 40s this morning, 50s later on. That will do it. That's what's going to feel like. So the hoodie, sneakers, sure, but it is a pants type of day. Wind off the ocean, generally around 10 miles per hour, keeps the coastline coolest, right around or just over 50. And maybe we touch 60 in a few spots where we get some breaks of sun. And that's pretty much the case across New England. 50s for many areas, a lot of clouds. The farther north you go, we may touch 60 in far northern Vermont or far northern Maine, where we get a little more in the way of breaks in the cloud cover that develop. Either side of about 47, 48 degrees in some of the cooler spots that are under the overcast skies. Couple different things today. A few showers coming in off the ocean. They're really isolated to widely scattered, but there is some rain coming in from the southwest as well. Southwest Connecticut, the Berkshires get into some steadier light rain, particularly by later on this afternoon. That will advance north and east, more showery for the evening commute. Steadier rain, southern Berkshire County, Connecticut will fill in gradually through the overnight tonight so that by tomorrow, it's pockets of rain, it's some downpours. The farther north you are in far northern New England and the Pine Tree State, it's more showers that will fill in through late morning and midday. Eastern Massachusetts, even if you're dry early, that rain will fill in. So if you wake up early and you're an early morning riser and it's a dry start, still pack the umbrella or the raincoat for you. Red Sox forecast tonight, I think we get the game in, but it's a chilly, raw feel, highs either side of 50. And it's feeling like the mid-40s, so that's what you want to dress for. Actual temperatures do dip into the 40s overnight tonight as that chilly rain fills in and the wind off the ocean increases as well. The strongest wind will come late in the day tomorrow and tomorrow night. An update on that and insights coming out as well. Of course, you can track it all with our app. Pinpoint your exact location. Videos at the top. Use the interactive radar, sponsored by CrackX. Our app is free on the App Store and Google Play. If you want an umbrella or a ball cap, you can check out our merchandise at swag.onedegreeoutside.com.